What's going on, guys? It's Ryan again. Today I'm back with a simple Bred 13 restoration. The suede needs a good cleaning. They need to be reshaped. There's some minor gaps and scuffs. And last but not least, we can unyellow the bottoms. After taking out the laces, we only have to worry about the stock lint. There's no hidden panels for dirt to hide, and the tongues also extend, so it's much easier to dry these. To help reshape the shoes, we can use our shoe trees. And this is a quick side-by-side comparison. To clean these, we can use soap and water, and I'm trying to focus on the stains. These are going to be cleaned in a washing machine. Cold cycle, 15 to 30 minutes. When I put these to dry outside, I'm leaving the insides open, but I'm covering up the midsoles. We don't want any more separation. When everything is dried, it's time to fix the gaps. We need to clean the old glue off, and I'm using acetone. This is going to help us make sure that we get a good bond. Using a pointed Q-tip, I'm applying some Bard Super Stick. Peel off the tape immediately. Because it's a small area, I can let this cure for around 10 to 20 minutes. Now we heat activate it and clamp it down. The suede midsole material is kinda hard to glue down sometimes. The best option is to use a clamp, and you can find all my materials down below. To fix the scuffs on the front, we can use an 800 grit sandpaper. And after we're done, we're just going to clean the surface and get the leather ready for a repaint. The paint I'm using is Angelus Flat Black. After a few coats of black paint, we need to protect our work with Krylon Matte Finisher. There are some loose threads, let's go ahead and take care of that real quick. To make the suede more vibrant, we can apply baby oil. This will also waterproof it. Brush it in and let it soak in. While that's soaking in, we can tackle the yellowing. I'm using Salon Care 50 and Saran Wrap. Inside the indoor unit they go. To clean the sock lint, I'm using a fabric shaver from eBay. This step is optional, but you could polish them using tire shine. It gives the leather a temporary shine. And finally, we can lace them up. And that's all there is to this restoration. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one.